Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Minifootball token. Now the Minifootball token you can find listed on CoinMarketCap. Minifootball, all one word, is the name of the token, and that is also the ticker symbol for this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Minifootball token, you could find their webpage at minifootballtoken.com. On CoinMarketCap, you can also find a full white paper. You can find their BSC scan, their block explorer, their Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, contract address. All of that is listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you want to get this token, there's a couple different ways. So if you want to get it off a decentralized exchange, you can fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Minifootball token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you want to, you might have to set slippage, by the way, if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. But if you want to get it off a centralized exchange, it's listed on two centralized exchanges. One is DigiFinex and one is LBANK. So you'd open an account on either one of those, LBANK or DigiFinex. Fund your account with the USDT, search Minifootball in the trade section, and then just buy the token that way. So those are a couple different ways to acquire this token here. Now they do have a white page. It is a white paper, I should say. It is a 5-page white paper. So it says, Minifootball is a new crypto that combines the greatest fans from football and Doge, creating the greatest community in the world. Our team loves football and crypto, especially its ability to disrupt barriers and create global communities. For this reason, a token that combines both worlds was born, Minifootball. We hope to build one of the largest communities in crypto, giving seasoned fans and new fans unique and once-in-a-lifetime opportunities through a community prize system. Our amazing tokenomics will have you amazed for days. We will also have football games available for you to play on our website, where you can play against the computer or against other members in the community to win amazing cash prizes each week. Now, from the big one, twice a week we will have a live draw in our Telegram voice chat where you win some big cash prizes. And the beauty is the prize fund will grow in size each week, and the winner could end up winning over $20,000 just for holding their tokens. And it says eligibility and terms apply. Of course, there's a huge disclaimer that you got to read to, a 7,000-word disclaimer. Each week, we will be giving away a PlayStation 5 console with FIFA 2021 to a random Minifootball holder. We'll host monthly FIFA 21 tournaments via our Discord server with prizes up to $5,000. Weekly giveaways will include match tickets to lucky winners with a match of their choice. So, Minifootball on the Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain was developed as a means of utilizing Solidity-based smart contracts, and it goes over what BSC is. We don't need to do that. I mean, pretty straightforward. We should know what BSC is by now. Goes over the advantages of the BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So, Minifootball's protocol. Minifootball employs 3 simple functions. Number 1, 1% fee equals redistribution to existing holders. So just by holding the token, you kind of get dividends back to your wallet. So it looks like there's a 1% tax there, 4% tax, and 8% tax for a total of 13% taxes on buy, sells, and maybe transfers. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are buying this off PancakeSwap, you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 13%. To get this token. I would start out low, of course, and then work your way up. Don't start at 13. Start a little bit lower. See what works first and work your way up. So yeah, 1% goes to redistribution to holders, reflections. 4% fee is split 50-50, which is sold by the contract into BNB, while the other half of the Minifootball tokens are paired automatically with the previous mentioned BNB and added to the liquidity pool on PancakeSwap. And then we got an 8% fee, which will go to the prize fund wallet from each transaction as it happens, and that increases the prizes overall, of course. We have a big prize fund wallet, 8% of the total supply, and also they're going to donate to charity, it says here. So on their roadmap, starting with phase 1, marketing push, website launch, huge influencers, first audit, 5K plus Telegram members, pre-sale announcement. Phase 2 is going to be successful launch, DEX tools trending, Reddit trending, coin hunt, coin sniper, etc., influencer marketing push, CertiK audit, listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, 25,000 plus Telegram members, weekly giveaways, prize draws go live, big manual burn. Phase 3 is going to be huge marketing campaign, meme contest, listings on central exchanges, football ads on big games, expansion of core team, marketing prior to first game release, release of the first game, game marketing push. Phase 4, partnerships, football ads on big games, release of the second game, increased marketing push, big manual burns, website redesign, mini football swap, and more partnerships. Now, if you want to find even more information, you can check out their webpage, minifootballtoken.com. You can check out their socials that are listed on CoinMarketCap, and yeah, check them out on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Speaking of the description box, just last night, dropped a stealth launch brand new NFT collection called the Bored Kitties. You can find a link on my YouTube homepage right at the top right hand corner to the OpenSea. There's a Twitter there too. Follow me on Twitter, brand new Twitter regarding this collection here. There's only 50 of them, very scarce, so they're probably going to go quick. Check them out, the Bored Kitties, while you can. Floor price is also low to start. They're in the description down there. Bored Kitties. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.